What's going on, YouTubers? This is Jerry the Mighty Monkey signing in on this beautiful Friday afternoon. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be hitting up a park today. We're going to bust out the Legend by Nokta Makro. This thing has been unreal. Has some really cool circuitry in it. Super quiet. I took it out to the gold fields last Wednesday and didn't find anything. We just were not looking in the right areas. But anyways, this thing was super quiet. There's no chatter in the area, or no chatter with the detector. It was just amazing. I love the Nokta Makro Legend. It's been a phenomenal machine so far. So we're gonna go hit up a park today, and we'll see what we can dig up today. Alrighty, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, comment. We're gonna be giving away some Legend hats by Nokta Makro. And what we'll do is we'll put a deadline, I guess, by April 3rd. And on April 4th, I'll randomly pick out a winner from the comments section. So down below, make sure you comment, subscribe, give a thumbs up for the like video. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I can do to make this hobby even better, let me know. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. That was a hard landing. Alrighty, well, we're here. So we're gonna go detect this area. I'm gonna go hit up that volleyball court there first. It's been a couple of weeks since I have been here, roughly, and then I'll probably go start metal detecting directly over there where it's nice and quiet. Nobody over there. Anyways, we'll see you guys over there. SOS, doot doot doot. Newsflash, doot 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 doot. Okay. Bust out the pinpointer. Is it? What the heck? It's falsing here. What the heck? Don't do this to me. Full tab. Okay. All right, I'll move it over here into the grass now. Let's go into the shady area. All right. $26. Dig in just a bit. All right, nickel target. Just ringing at 26. All right. Any more goodies? No. What we got? Yeah, I'm happy with that. $28. Faro check going right. Okay. Possibly it's little brother nickel. Let's see what we got here. It's lost brother. Pull tab, okay. Okay, what's that the target? 25. Oh, look at that. Oh, bam. High tone consistently now. Faro check uncertain. That's okay. All right. There's going to be multiple targets here, so bear with me as I try and figure this mystery out here. Of course, there has to be a big root here. Okay, let's see. Let's see, you guys can see it here. Cancel. Dang it. Dang it! Okay. If there's anything else in there? Sure is. Probably some more pieces of it. Piece that I cut. So this is where you wear your hand gloves here. Man, I want to leave it. Yeah, there's another piece of shard here. It's a nice park, man, but these roots are just killer. Oops. I could be certainly using my screwdriver right about now. It's down there. I don't see no rust. I can see it right there. It's in the scoop. No? Darn it. Did I lose it? Oh, it's in here. There it is. Son of a gun. What the heck is that? Penny, I bet. Yep. There's the old penny. $46. Yeah. Miss it? What the heck? Okay. What? Okay, this is... Oh man, this is driving me nuts. What? Dude, you guys have seen this, right? Now it's gone. Really? Let me bring the legend here closer to see what happens. Really? I got it about a foot away from me. Pulse induction. Pinpointer. Put the legend away. The anomaly's gone. Bring it closer. Look at that. Okay. Pulsing there. And the real target is right there. Well, I'll be darned. Put this piece here. Get my real target. You guys ever experienced that? That was interesting. Not experienced that yet. All that for a dime, huh? Okay, well, whatever. Whatever's clever. Pharaoh check's telling me iron. 13. You guys want to see what it is? Okay, we'll dig it up. It's a low VDI, 13, 14. I doubt it's gold. From what I've been seeing, small gold's been hitting in the 20s, whereas medium gold's been hitting in the 34 range, 35. Oh, look at that bottle cap. Nice plug. All the way to the right, and then one bar to the left. Could be a bottle cap still. I'm gonna dig it up though, because I'm curious and I want to get to know this VDI. I want to get to know, learn this VDI spread spectrum here. Yeah, bottle cap. Possibly 2 targets, I think. Yeah, sound like 2 targets to me. Sound like it was right on top too. I have a feeling that would be a foil. Darn, where are ya? Dig Humpty Dumpty. Put Humpty Dumpty back together again. Oh, this is insane. I'm not doing this. I think I see a car. Big old chunky iron. Sprinkler head. That's why the legend was, see that? It's not even picking it up. It's rejecting the iron, which is fine. But I was curious. But with the other mineralization that was around it, it was reading like 20s. That's why I dug it up. High, probably a dime, but what, 30s now? Okay. penny. Okay. Hopefully you guys. I see something there. Looks like the edge, bottom edge of a Coke can, but you see that? Right there? Right there's a little silver rim to it. It's not a sprinkler head. Alright, I'm going to pull it out. Very carefully here. Looks like a ring of some sort. Not a jewelry ring, but like a circular ring, like the school's circular ring that they use to hang paper charts with. Look at that, a Colonial buckle. Dude! Okay. Colonial buckle, I wish. Some kind of a D-ring. It's modern. Okay, trash. Well, I think I'm about done for today. Nope, I was going the other way, wasn't I? Well, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Wasn't a total fail today. We found some stuff in the ground. And when you comment and subscribe, you will be entered to win a Nokta Makro Legend hat, which I will ship out to you. The deadline will be April 3rd. April 4th, I'll pull out the winner. Never done it before, so I might record it just to see how it goes, and then I'll post the video. Just that way you guys can see that it wasn't rigged. Alrighty. Anyways, Jerry the Mining Monkey signing out. Go bananas in the field, guys. Thanks for watching. Later.